Right, ladies and gents, currently I'm on the 15-minute time frame here. So as we can see on the 15-minute time frame, this is where we entered on Wednesday. So on Wednesday the market went up, came close to our TP. Our TP was somewhere here at 4845. So our TP was somewhere here. So we see the market came close to our TP but didn't reach our TP and then came back down, back to our original entry levels. Then it went back up close to our TP again. So we got out on the second rejection there. That's where we got out. So, and then I was placing that head and shoulder here. So I was waiting for the market to give us a inverse head and shoulder to break above this neckline. But as we can see, the market is still playing between our minor support and resistance area there. So what can we see for today? We can see the market is moving into a bearish channel. So let me mark it. The market is moving into a bearish channel. So this is what we currently see in the markets. It's moving into a bearish channel. Remember, this area of support down here, this is our base area of support. So what we are waiting for currently, we are waiting for the market to still give us that break and retest. Let me just mark it. Waiting for the market to still give us this break and retest in order for us to buy there to continue to the upside. So we are still waiting for that. Or the market can come back down to our base resistance, our base support, and then continue to the upside. So the market can come back down to this and then continue to the upside. Remember I said once the market breaks below this level, then I'm gonna start looking for sales. So even today we're still gonna look for buys because we are just in a retracement back to our base support level here. So from the support level we can still expect buys until the market breaks below the support level, and then we can expect sales. So for today I'm gonna wait for a clean break of structure and a retest in order to continue to the upside, or I'm gonna wait for the market to come back to our base and then retest there and then continue to the upside. So this is the game plan for today. So I'm gonna give a signal here, or I'm gonna give a signal once we get that break and retest right at that minor support, minor resistance level right there. So that's the game plan for today. So let's be patient